WooCommerce Spin Win plugin, functional overview, interactive spin wheel, pop-up to engage store visitors, fully customizable, wheel design and content, multiple reward types, discounts, coupons, free shipping, smart triggers, on-page load, exit intent, time delay, automatic coupon creation and management email, lead collection and customer engagement works smoothly with WooCommerce checkout flow. So, this is a tutorial video for WooCommerce Spin and Win. So first, we will cover the installation part, and then we will see the configuration of the module. So after downloading the module, you have to unzip the file, and you have to move this file to the WP content folder. In the WP content folder, you have to select the plugins, and you have to move this file to the folder. So now installation is successful, then you will see the option as activate, and you have to activate the module. After activating the module, you will see the spin and pen in the site menu. Then you have to configure the configuration of the module. Now I am going to explain all the features in the spin and pen module. So this is the enable and disable button. You can enable or disable the plugin according by using this feature. Then this is the show pull tab button. This is the option that will allow the store owner to hide the pop-up for the customers. This is the email recheck. Now you can add the validation by using this tab. Then this is the firework if you will enable this module, and this will enable the firework on the front end that we will see after the tutorial of the video. Now this is the allow email check on card. This will allow the user to verify on the card. This is for the theme scheduling. Now we have two tabs including show customer name required, customer name. Now using this feature, you can show the customer name on the front end. Whether you want to show the first name or last name, you can use this feature for the same. Now, this is a validation for the customer name now. By selecting these option, you can mandatory the option. This is a wheel display interval. Now if you add one, then after 1 day, this pop-up will show to the customer. Now we have the display settings. These are the display setting for the display of the spin and win module on the user's device, whether it is a smartphone, whether it is a desktop, or whether it is a smartphone. So basically, you can add the screen size based on this feature. Now we have the features like hide spin and win after. So you can hide the spin and win wheel after time. Like if you are 10 seconds, then spin wheel will hide after 10 seconds. Now this is a set time interval. This will allow the store owner to add the time. Like you can activate between this date and you can deactivate this between this date. Now this is the option to show the spin and win in the pages of the website. So you can add that based on the option that are provided in the. Now the option is to display. You can choose to display the spin and win wheel after scrolling or after just when the user visit your website. Now we have the look and feel setting. This is the settings for the customization. Basically, you can change the UI of the wheel. You can select the designs, you can select the colors, you can select the button colors, and you can also select the option of the lucky feel text color. When the user will click on the spin and wheel, if he or she doesn't get anything, then this will show, so you can change the color according to that. Now you can also add the logo or the image on the spin and win wheel. Now we have the text setting. These text are this. You can also change the text settings of the spin and win wheel that we will see after this backend tutorial. So you can also change the rule text or subtitle text, even the title text. This is the slice setting. You can add the coupon value according to you on the slices. So basically, you can add the gravity. Gravity means higher. The gravity higher, this will come. So now this is the email marketing. So we have integrated the module into different email tools like MailChimp. Klaviyo and Bravo, you can just add the API key for the tool, and this MailChimp will be integrated successfully. Now we have the email settings. So these are the emails that will go to the customer's mail, so you can basically change the template, or you can add the variable according to your store. So now we have the stats. This stat will show the total generated coupons and the total used and the total unused. So now we will see the module on the front end. So now this is the front end of the website. And according to that, according to the configuration of the back end that you have added, this will work. So if you write first name as now, this will run, and this will show you the highest gravity coupon. So we have received this message, and this is the better luck next time message that you can edit it from the back end. So you can continue, and the user will continue scrolling the website. This is the complete tutorial video of this module. So now you can purchase and you can install and you can configure according to your end. And if you want to see the demo, you can visit the Knowband website. Thank you.